This is Hermance with your Farmers Cooperative Market Update. Corn was down 6 1/4, beans were down 4, and wheat was up 18. As we saw a WASDE report come out today that actually showed our corn and bean stocks were up considerably so far. Kind of the opposite thinking of what we were hoping for, at least, as we saw lower acres there planted last week with stocks coming up like that. It was just a little bit too much here on a Friday, as we saw most corn and beans down 9 here appropriately. So something to kind of monitor here as we go forward, whether or not the markets will increase the demand for those commodities, or whether or not those will start to dial back here as fears for a second COVID wave start to play into it a little bit more. On top of that, we also saw President Trump reiterate the fact that there might be a little bit more trade tensions going on with China than maybe what we initially thought here. So obviously that's something to look to as we need to hopefully get into phase 2 of that trade deal with China. If we start to see that here, or start to see information leak out in the coming weeks, hopefully we can start to see a turnaround in the prices, but definitely something that we're looking at as well. On Tuesday there, we saw the crop conditions come out. Looked like corn was down about 2% here for good to excellent, with beans staying pat there at 71%. So definitely something we hopefully see with corn and bean conditions going forward. We've seen obviously a lot of storms come through here in the past couple weeks, so we're obviously monitoring the hail damage, green snap, different things like that to see if we have any production issues here going forward. Last thing I wanted to touch on here is a min-max contract that we actually have coming out here with Farmers Cooperative. Call one of us here in the Dorchester office or in Beatrice if you have any questions with that. It'll allow us to set a floor for your new crop corn this year, and hopefully allow you a little stability in your marketing plan going forward to lock in some of those prices here. With any of those questions, feel free to give myself, Roy, Ryan, Tyson, or Randy a call here in the Dorchester office at 402-946-2211. And again, this is Hermance with your Farmers Cooperative Market Update.